You have questions.
Just one. Am I a privileged guest or a prisoner in this hell?
You have spirit Latin. Of the yin and the yang, you have an abundance of yang. But without yin, yang dies on the battlefield. We are all prisoners here. Prisoners and privileged guests. One and the same.
Tread carefully, Master Polo, or you will find yourself a more permanent sleep.
Attempt to undermine me or go behind my back. Well.
There is nothing beyond those walls but doubt and fear. All we can change is here, in this place.
And how do you propose to do that?
I must win this war for the car.
Catch me once, catch me twice.
Do you like it?
I find it exquisite. Go home.
Home.
We must run now.
I cannot leave. I cannot. What made you cease your attempts at escape? Fire! You have a clever mind for a lantern.